think that's, do you smell?
Yeah.
Oh, here's grass right here. See it? Right here to your right.
I see it. That is horrible.
Just bouncing a little bit. That was for me. He's working on something too. I'm gonna have to check this one. I don't see the green shit you're talking about, but it's a killer, isn't it? It's a killer with crap all over it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right.
Is it alive though?
Oh gosh, I'm sure not. If it's this high up, it's just gases that have taken over to bring it back up. Oh, that's sad. Okay.
Is it a baby?
I've been rubbing on somebody else.
What do you think, Janet?
Oh,
It's definitely
yeah,
dead.
it's a baby. A baby. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, I should call somebody.